Ayan guys, kulay pink ito na zinnia. And then this one is orange. Ang ganda ng kulay, it's so vibrant. And this one, baby, parang peach. Parang peach yung kulay niya. I'll wait for a few days and then find out what color it is. And then this one is red. I think this is red. Red-orange, parang ganon. And this one, ang laki ng zinnia. Ang laki niya, oh, kasing lapad na. Ang lapad, kasing lapad ng palad ko. Tapos ito, purple. Kind of purple. Tapos, ayan, hindi ko alam kung anong variety niyan. Ang daming petals. Yeah, para siyang ball. Ang ganda in person. And then this one too, orange. Multiple petals. It's so gorgeous. The color is so stunning. I love it. Next year, I'm gonna plant more zinnias. And then another pink. I think this is magenta. Yeah. The most common color of zinnia in the garden. And this one, I love it. Kind of pink. Pastel pink. So, I gotta learn more about zinnias. I think I'm loving these flowers in the garden. And then this one, more of a kind of white zinnia. So, I still have a lot of zinnias here. Hindi pa siya nag-flowers. Ayan. They're under the shade, kaya hindi pa siya mag-flower. Hopefully, mag-flower siya in the next few weeks, because, you know, it's already August. Next week? 2 weeks from now. So, yun.